Hello students, in this video we are going to read and understand chapter 6 of standard 4. Name of the chapter is Omana's Journey. In this chapter is divided into 3 chapters, the 6th, the 7th and the 8th. Okay, the Omana's Journey is compiled in 3 chapters. The first chapter begins as Omana's Journey. The 7th chapter is From the Window and the 8th is Reaching Grandma's House. All these 3 chapters speak about Omana and the experience that she has during this journey and after the journey. Okay, so the situation was that Omana and Radha were best friends and they both were going to visit some different places. Okay, Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going to meet her family. So both were going to enjoy their journey together. But there is an accident and Radha gets injured. She has a fracture. So she couldn't continue with the journey and Omana alone has to go with her family. Okay. So then afterwards what happens that they both decide that Omana decides and tells that I will write the notes about the journey and then when I come back you can read those notes and enjoy the journey as I did. So let us read and understand more about this lesson. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Okay, so here Omana and Radha both were going to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going for a holiday trip. Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. So here Radha is the one who falls down from a bicycle and now she will not be able to continue to the journey with Omana. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The 2 friends were very sad. So because of this event which has taken place, because of the accident that has taken place, now Radha will not be able to continue to the journey to Kerala and her family trip was also cancelled because her family couldn't leave her alone at home and go for the trip and they would not enjoy, obviously. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Who had made so many plans? Radha and Omana had made many plans about what they would do on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? So here whose idea was it to write down about the trip? Radha's Amma's idea. Amma means Radha's mother's idea. Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. So it was quite a good idea that she could write her experience which she feels when on the trip and then she can write it down and Radha can read and also enjoy knowing about the trip. This way you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Now since Radha was not coming, Omana did not have anyone to speak to. Obviously no one of her age. So she would feel bored, and by writing this diary she could pass her time and she will not get bored. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. So in this lesson we will be reading few of the pages of Omana's diary, and we will also get to know what kind of experience has Omana been through. So here we'll begin to read Omana's diary. 16th May. So this was the day when Omana began her journey. It was almost around 11:30. It was 11:35. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Reservation chart is the list of people who are traveling. Okay, if your name is not indicated in a reservation chart, that means you have not reserved your seats. Okay, and you might not be allowed to sit in the train. This is mostly done for long journeys. Okay, if you are going on a long journey, you have to reserve your seats. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. So from where did the train start? From Gandhidham in Kutch. And where was the train going? It was going to Kerala. When the train came, there was so much confusion. Confusion because there were lots of people around and lots of luggage around. So there is lots of confusion usually on a platform. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. So usually when a train comes and stops at certain station and you have to get into the train, there is lots of hosh posh over there. Everybody pushes, and because they are getting out of the door also, and some people are going inside through the same door. Okay, so there is not like for exit there is a different door and for entry there is a different door. So since people are coming in and out from the same door, there is lots of confusion. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. So, ticket collector is a person who checks your ticket and sees that you have been seated in the proper place or no, or if somebody else has not taken your seat. If somebody else has taken your seat, then the ticket collector would either collect fine or either ask that person to get out of train and get a proper ticket to enter the train. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are two college students who have the upper berths. On the other berth, there is a family with 2 children. So, these are the number of people who are travelling along with Omana in the same berth. They seem to be about our age. So, other 2 children which are there, they are about her age. I will go and talk to them later. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey, just as I had promised you. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma has packed a lot of food. Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. So till here Omana has written about the journey. So from the time that they get into the train, they check their tickets. The tickets are being checked by the ticket checker, and when she sees the other passengers which are traveling along with them. So now what is she going to do? She is going to have food. What is there in the food? Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. So people who travel long distance journey usually carry this kind of food items so that they do not have to buy from outside, and so that they can enjoy their homemade food. Now there are few questions on page 49 after just that paragraph which I recently just read. The question is, why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? So when they were entering into the train, why was that place crowded? People do not like to wait. Rather, they were in a hurry to board or get down the train all at once. So this was the reason why there was so much confusion over there, because people do not like to wait. They are afraid that the train will start moving and they will be left behind. So what do? They do not wait for people to get down, and they want to just plunge inside the train. So that was the reason why it was so crowded. Okay, now there is space given in your textbook to write this answer. Okay, so please write this answer in your textbook in good handwriting. The second question is, have you ever traveled in a train and when? So here you can write about your journey and about the time when you traveled. Okay, I have traveled in a train many times. My uncle lives in Delhi and usually we go to visit him. Please frame your own answer and write over here. The next question is, what food would you like to take with you when you travel? Now there are some lines given for you to write the names of the food items. So just write the names of food items like fruits and puri, vegetables, mithai, like that. Okay, there is no need to write the full answer in a single line. You can write just the name of the particular items. Next question is, what does the ticket checker do? Ticket checker checks the tickets to see that all the passengers have proper tickets and are occupying correct seats. Okay, so this is the job of a ticket checker. Now the last question on this page is, how will you recognize the ticket checker? A ticket checker is in black coat. There is a name tag on his chest. There is a badge on both of his shoulders showing TTE. TTE stands for Traveling Ticket Examiner. Okay, so these are the indications of a ticket checker, how you can recognize a ticket checker. Okay, now I will end this video over here. The lesson is quite long. We will continue in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.